Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable aptX codec for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN application and now click on your earbuds here. Then scroll down and you need to find Bluetooth audio quality. Now tap on it. And right here we have QLCOM aptX codec. So I recommend you to use this codecs only if you have QLCOM chip. If you haven't, just use another one. You have LDAC. You also can use AAC codec with stable connection. Then to enable it, just click near to QLCOM aptX at this slider and then click Sure. Now wait few seconds and it will finish. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!